Good day mga kabradi. For today's video is about beach campaign, but in the part of how to plan, the preparation, the journey, and trials. This video is very exciting because I'm with my Bulabog friends. Ready na kayo? Pero mag-intro muna tayo. Arcelia, and this is my vlog. Welcome to my vlog. Pero bago ang lahat, please like, subscribe, at pindutin ang notification bell below para maging updated kayo sa mga susunod na vlog ko. Okay, let's go and boom. So, ayun na nga. May story yung beach camping namin. Yung original story talaga ay 17 kami katao. Pero ganito, 100 per week for 22 weeks for 4 months. Ang nangyari, 6 lang kaming nakasurvive. So, pagdating ng araw, maybe 2 weeks, cleaner ko na sila, pero ayaw na nilang mag-response. 6 na lang, 5, including me, 6 na lang kami. 5 na lang ang nag-response. So, sabi ko, mag-ano na lang kami, mag-cancel. So, na-cancel na nga. Pero, yung 5, hindi nila gusto. Kasi nag-i-effort na din ako, concerned sila. So, ngayon, sabi nila, pinupush nila. Kaya, so, nung dumating yung araw, inano na talaga namin, pinupush na namin. Kaya, yun nangyari. So, may mga ano na kami. Ako, may plano ako, ganun, para less pressure siya pagdating ng araw. So, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko ginawa. So, ano lang to, manual plan ha, pero check this out. Hi guys, for today's vlog, we're going to camping. Ano natin? Okay, and then, tara na!
Mara to! Ay, pagulguol diha. Uy, pag-enjoy. Are you ready? Are you excited ba? Kumusta na as likod diha? Kumusta mo? Full pack ba? Panahon, bear with us. Panahon, ayaw in town pag bagyo palayo.
Wala kayo, nagsige mag-video si Lovely. Sumulip din pa, para ready.
Dito para healthy sa doy. Hindi rin maligo. Ha? Hindi ka kagawa na eh. Kaya naging bato. Siguro yung bidata. Hindi ka kanyung natang bidata. Sabi yung nanas ka to. Katong sa una, katong 2001 kay. Gisong bitaw. Yan, pwede kaya. Kaya surprise mo lang. Dahil kita ko siya, wala lang yun. Yung kita ko tingnan mo na. Hindi ko susod sa ulit. Kuyo ko. Ano ko sa iluan na. Dahil siya dyan. Oh, ano, siya siya niya. Kuan ka na. Hindi ko na. Kaya mo tao. Kaya wala na rin na. Hindi ka na experience sa iyang part ha. Hindi ka na experience sa na sa ligop kay. Skilled diha. Kanta na lang yun, nindot dire akong paglaom. Siya na lang nagbibigay ng inspirasyon ngayon. Oh, is that?
There's a light over there.
Ah, okay.
Yes, the rain is a little bit gonna stop. Nothing gonna stop us.
So what happened to Sky Troy?
I told you, it's only the mountain to do over there.
Ah, okay. That's a good. Good? Yeah, good. Ano di yung English kayo? Murag real. Ang atong English kayo murag joke. What happened? What happened, Troy?
Huh?
Your English is like looks like real professional, and then our English is we're just like joking. What happened on us?
I don't know what you just said. Right?
No, that's the joke.
That's a joke, right? The way we are very different in pronunciation, also the tune. Why we are very different?
Because you guys speak funny.
Yours speak funny.
You speak funny.
You know what? That's really serious and really motivation
Blah, blah,
words.
blah, blah,
Yeah.
blah, blah, blah.
Oh shit,
Blah,
my
blah, blah.
my head is aching and my scalp is
Well, shut up
itchy.
then. Your head won't ache. Stop talking.
my head is blowing so. Wow!
Kung naaaliw kayo sa video ko at naging masaya ang araw nyo, more videos to come. And please, likes and subscribe to my channel at notification bell below para maging updated kayo sa video ko. Once again, I am Lovelyn Arcelia, and always remember, tomorrow is another day. Peace, yo. Bye.